Hello, enthusiasts. Today is day 3, and topic for the day is why do I automate everything? And why should you do it too? Right? Does it sound interesting to you? Why automation? Bro, raise your hand if you ever felt a feeling at work you are doing redundant, boring, repetitive tasks again and again, and you are filling weekly report, or you are just watching at a UI and you are writing the stuff again and again, and just copy pasting on something, doing something out of it. We all have been there, bro. I felt that too, bro. The like we are getting a new data and now we are replacing the null values again, and data is updated and now we are updating the null values again. So that's really frustrating for me. वो घंटे बिता देते हैं जो काम मिली सेकेंड्स में कंप्यूटर कर देता है. Now do you feel the need of automation? Do you feel like everything should be automated? Right? Today I would like to share my mindset around this automation. For me, automation is not about being lazy. It's just like a hacking movie. Like, it's interesting and जो काम 10 लोग मिल के हफ्ते लगा रहे हैं, your script can do it in seconds, and that repetitive tasks are gonna improve your efficiency and your value in company. Just think like it. You have wasted some time doing some other stuff other than your work, right? And now you have to submit your work. Now it is a very tedious process and you have to sit for hours continuously. Now that's the situation where automation can help you, right? It can do it in seconds and you can waste more time. Just kidding, bro. Don't waste time. Just by writing a single script for which was responsible for adding some new columns to the tables and manipulating some stored procedures based on the added columns, right? It was kind of data migration from multiple servers and flagging and everything. So it was a simple task and I just have to recognize the pattern. I have done it, or 2-3 hours I have spent it very nicely and identified the patterns and created a script, right? It was expected to easily take more than a week to do this. Basically, even if I deploy around 4 to 5 developers for it, right? If they are going to do this one by one, and this script done it under 7 minutes. Bro, can you imagine that? That level of efficiency, bro. I got appreciated for that. That's a full week you have saved to waste time. Just kidding, bro. Don't waste time. And the most important part is कि human से गलती होती है basically. You deploy 10 people and some of them will do mistakes. Some of them, all of them will do mistakes if you deploy them for a week. Almost all of them. No one is very skilled and very accurate, right? But machines are accurate, bro. When you are working with critical systems or systems where perfection is necessary, na bro, you can't risk it. And automation provides that consistency and reliability, bro. When you are not constantly switching tasks, na, your brain gets time to focus on interesting things, interesting problems that that could benefit your business, and your problem solving ability will improve, bro. You evolve from being just a button pusher and just clicker to a good problem solver, bro. Now you are able to think about the architecture, strategy, next level solutions, and whatever task is assigned to you, na, you will think of automation first. You don't have to start by building a very complex system. You can start very small. You can take a challenge that you have to do one automation a week. And that's good for starting, bro. If you have some tasks that are repetitive and that are annoying you, you have the chance. That's a great opportunity, bro. Task can be very simple, like formatting a spreadsheet, or you are checking daily logs for a server, so you can automate it if some keyword occurs. You can just highlight it. Okay, this keyword has occurred. This should be highlighted. Or, for example, you are doing 5 to 7 steps daily for an Excel sheet, which is generated by some program. So you can automate the steps, like making the headers freeze or bold and making it look like table, adding filter or something. Very simple things can be done, bro. You can write a script to format a SQL query. When you write a SQL query and it is messed up, and you always receive such kind of queries, right? If you are working with data, and now it is not formatted and it is a 700 to 800 lines query, so you don't have to spend much time on it. You can just write a short Python code and it will format the strings for you. Just learn basic regular expressions, and if you are proficient with Python regular expressions now, it's very easy to do it, bro. I am very curious, bro. What will be the first thing you are going to automate? Drop it in the comment section, bro. What you are going to automate first. I am very open to hear your thoughts. And अगर मैं थोड़ा सा भी mindset shift कर पाया हूँ ना, तो I am very happy that my efforts were worth it. Thanks for watching. And now you will have time to waste. Just kidding, bro. Don't waste time, bro. See you in the next one. See you tomorrow, bro.